Can you get the Brawl Stars dev build in 2025? So it's in the name, dev build, right? So it's a build for developers. If you are a developer, then obviously you will have access to this. And you might see your favorite YouTubers playing the dev build on their YouTube videos, where the app, they'll get a lot of things, like they'll have early access, the games are modded, or they have special perks, things like that. Now, there is no way you can publicly get the dev build on Brawl Stars. There is a couple of APKs that's circulating out there, but I don't recommend you installing that. They could come with some pretty nasty things packed in. So if you want the Brawl Stars dev build, there's only two options you can do. First off, become a developer in Supercell, which is, well, pretty hard. The next one is become a creator for Supercell, where they'll basically send you the dev build for free so you can make content out of it. But of course, if you want to do this, then you'll have to have a pretty sizable following on YouTube or any social media besides that, right? So if you want to get the Brawl Stars dev build, you can sign up to creators.supercell.com/en. You can tap on this green button to join us. You have to complete this verification, like enter in your age, and then you have to tap on continue. And then in here, you will see I will always act in good manner. And this is the minimum here, right? I have a minimum of 100 followers on YouTube, 25 on Twitch, or 1,000 on TikTok. And then on here, log in with Supercell IT, and then you have to choose your platform and then your account with it as well.